Stop your screen from turning off at the wrong time. Here's how to easily adjust screen timeout on your Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus. Alright, first head over to Settings, then tap Display, and you'll find Screen Timeout. Here, you've got plenty of options from 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. Now here's a handy feature: keep screen on while viewing. Turn this on and your phone will stay awake automatically as long as you're looking at it. Super useful if you're reading an ebook or going through a long article. One thing to watch for: if the screen timeout option is grayed out, don't panic. Just go back to Settings, Battery, and make sure Power Saving Mode is turned off. Once that's done, you'll have full control over your screen timeout again. And that's it. Adjusting your screen timeout is quick and easy. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for your time.